Hi everybody, quick update today. I managed to get a new battery and kind of stuck a muffler on it if it fires. And this is going to be the first start of the 1980s Lahman Little Dipper mini skid steer with the Briggs Vanguard engine swap. Here we go. This is what we've got so far. Muffler is just sitting over that pipe, so if it starts you can hear me speak still. No choke hooked up yet. Haven't got a chance to get a cable. Jumper cable on starter. Let's see what we get. Almost. Make sure the fuel's still on. Yep, fuel valve's on. Give it a little less choke. Ah, so close. Let's try no choke. And we stalled. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's a bit smoky in here. Guess you can tell I've flipped that engine around quite a few times trying to get things mocked up and ready to go. Also doesn't help that it's 30 out. So I will give you guys an update when I get some more wiring done and some more parts in. Have a nice night. Take care.